Hello guys, welcome to our tutorial. So in this video I will going to explain to you all about how to find the inverse in the matrix. So it's in the numerical analysis topic. So what's up guys, I will going to teach you the step-by-step on how to get the inverse of a matrix. So let's go. So dito na tayo sa ating give example. I will give you only one example and I hope so that you will learn and makaintindi kayo with this example. So with a given of 3x minus 7y plus z plus 2 is and equals to 0, and 4x minus 5z equals 13, and 5z minus 3y plus 8 is equals to 0. So tatlong linear equation atin yang i-compute sa pag-get sa inverse natin sa, and gawin po natin siya yan na matrix. So first thing to do, you will first thing to do is you will arrange like term with this given. So the given, you will arrange that. So here is 3x minus 7y plus, since z, then we all know that the value of that is 1, so we include that 1z is equals to negative 2 kasi we transpose the 2 to the other section, so na magiging negative po siya. Then 4x plus 0y kasi walang y dito, so we include that. Then minus 5z equals to 13 remaining, and 0x dahil walang x dito, then minus 3y plus 5z and is equals to negative 8, transpose then of 8. So we will write that into the matrix after we arrange like term. So in our matrix, so we arrange that in 3 section, yung yung xyz, tapos yung numbers lang, and the values of xyz we will put this in the a. So positive 3, negative 7, 1, 4, 0, negative 5, 0, negative 3, and 5. So that is our matrix. So we will find or solve the matrix A. We will find the inverse of that. So the inverse, in getting the inverse of the matrix A, we will use the formula A inverse is equals to 1 over the determinant times adjoint of A. So first we will find the determinant, and after we will find the adjoint of A, and so that we can come up the inverse result. So first we will find the determinant. So in finding the determinant, we will use this matrix A. So in matrix A, we can use first row lang, or second row, or third row, or first column, second column, or third column. Depende lang sa iyong gusto nang gagamitin. Same lang yan na result in all that. Kung mag-compute ka kahit saan, same lang ang result. So we will find the determinant using the second row, yes, the 4, 0, and negative 5. So example 4, i-cover natin ito, we will cover it and here. So kung saan ang straight for example yung horizontal niya at saka vertical niya, i-cover natin yan. So hindi natin yan i-compute, bali erase muna. So ang naiwan is i-cross multiply mo. So negative 7 times 5 and minus 1 minus a negative 3. So here na. So let's solve this first in the parentheses. Negative 7 times 5 is equals negative 35. So 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. So negative 3 times sa i-distribute mo yan sa negative, magiging positive 3. So negative 35 plus 3 is equals negative 32 times 4 is equals to negative 128. So next is ang 0. So same process, i-cover mo lang yung vertical sa 0 at saka horizontal. So ang naiwan is 3 at 5 at 1 and 0. Cross multiply again. 3 times 5 minus 1 times 0. So solve the parentheses first. Negative 15. Magiging positive 15 yung 3 times 5 at minus 0. Then 15 times 0 is 0. Then after that, yung negative 5 na naman. Ito. Negative 5, erase na din yung horizontal niya at saka vertical. So yung naiwan is 3 at 3 at 7, negative 7 at 0. So 3 times negative 3 and minus negative 7 times 0. So negative 3 times negative 3 is equals negative 9 minus 0 is equals to negative 9 times negative 5 is equals to positive 45. So ang rule niyan is sa matrix natin guys, kung kukuha tayo ng determinant, meron yang ganito, i-times natin yan dito sa dito sa matrix na positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So sa 3 by 3. So negative ang 4 natin, saan yan sa second row, di ba? Yung second row lahat mo is yung product niya, i-times mo dito sa kung saan siya nabilang. So yung 4 second row negative 128 times negative is equals to positive 128. Tapos yung 0 natin, yung product niya, ang answer niya is 0. So if times mo yan sa positive, so 0 lang. So yung 5, negative 5 mo is 45, positive times negative is equals to negative 45. So i-sum up mo yan, solve that, and after that is the result of your determinant. So our determinant in this matrix A is equals to 83. Kahit saang section yang i-compute mo, either any rows or columns, ang magiging answer is positive 83 sa pagkuha mo sa determinant of A. Okay, next is ang adjoint na naman ang kukunin natin. So next page. In finding the adjoint, ito yung matrix natin, di ba? 3, negative 7, negative 1, 4, 0, negative 5, and 0, negative 3, and 5. So, sa pagkuha natin is, ang kailangan natin gawin is, hanapin natin yung mga cofactor niya. Cofactor ng lahat ng numbers sa ating matrix. So, first row ang ating uunahin, tsaka second row and third row. So, in first row, our number is 3. So, 3, i-cover mo lang yan. Same sa method sa determinant, i-cover mo lang. Pero, ito lang ang i-compute mo. Ang kanyang mga cofactor lang. Ang cofactor niya is negative 7 and 5. Negative 1, no, hindi. 0 and 0 times 5 minus negative 5 times negative 3. Since i-cover mo yung first column at first row, i-cover mo yan, bali walang you will not include that in your in getting the first column in 3 in the first row. So cover mo. So ang naiwan is ang cofactor ng 3. So, 0, 5, and negative 5 and negative 3. Cross multiply lang. So, 0 times 5 minus negative 5 times negative 3. So, 0 minus 15. Since negative 5 times negative 3 is 15. So, 0 minus 15 is negative 15. So, error negative 7. Same lang. Cover mo lang. 3, 5. 4, 5, and negative 5 and 0. So, 4 times 5 and minus negative 5 times 0. So, 20 minus 0 and equals to 20. So, in our 1, cover then. Cover, same lang. So, 4 times negative 3 and 0 times 0. So, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 minus 0, and our product is negative 12. So, next is ang second row na naman, yung 4, 0, and negative 5. So, 4, cover yung vertical niya at saka horizontal. So, negative 7 times 5 minus 1 times negative 3. So, magiging negative 35. Then, negative 3. Distribute dito sa negative. So, magiging positive 3 and negative 32 ang answer. Kuha lang. So, another, 0. Cover lang yung vertical at saka horizontal. Ang naiwan is 3 times 5 and minus 1 times 0. So, 3 times 5 is equals to 15. 1 times 0 is equals to 0. And 15 minus 0 is equals to 15. And next is the negative 5. Negative 5 cover lang din. So, 3 times negative 3 yung maiwan. Tsaka minus negative 7 times 0. So, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 7 times 0 is equals to 0. Minus 0 is equals to negative 9. Then, ang last row na naman. So, ang 0, ang cofactor niya, cover lang din. So, cover mo yan, negative 7 at saka times negative 5. Then, minus 1 times 0. Here. Negative 7 times negative 5 is equals to positive 35. And 1 times 0 is equals to 0. 35 minus 0 is equals to 35. Then, next is negative 3. Cover din. Tapos, 3 times negative 5 at saka 1 times 4. So, 3 times negative 5 is equals to negative 15 minus 1 times 4 is equals to 4. Negative 15 minus 4 is equals to negative 19. Pagkatapos is ang 5 natin. Cover din. So, 5, ang maiwan, ang cofactor niya is 3 times 0 minus negative 7. Minus negative 7. 3 times 0 minus negative 7 times 4. So, 3 times 0 is equals to 0. Negative 7 times 4 is equals to negative 28. Minus sa dito is magiging positive. Diba? Negative times negative is positive. So, positive 28. So, isulat natin yun lahat, guys. Isulat natin yung cofactor sa 3. Negative 15. To. And sa negative 7 is 20. Yung sa 1 and so on. So, lahat-lahat is ito na yung cofactor pa. Ang cofactor pa lahat yan. Ang sum, ang answer pa sa cofactor ang isulat mo. May method pa tayo. So, yung mga answers mo is i-multiply mo na naman dito sa matrix mo na positive, negative, and etc. So, negative 15 times mo sa positive is magiging negative 15. 20 times negative is magiging negative 20. Negative 12 times positive is negative 12. Negative 32 times negative is equals to positive 32. 15 times positive is equals to positive. Tapos negative 9 times negative is magiging positive 9. 35 times positive is equals to positive. Negative 19 times negative is equals to 19. And 28 times positive is still 28. So, yan na ang mga answers natin. Pero, hindi pa yan ang adjoint natin. Yung answer natin is kailangan pa natin i-transpose. So, nilagyan natin ng T dito para i-transpose natin yan. Sa pag-transpose natin, yung first row natin ay magiging first column. Dito. Yung second row, second column, third row, third column. So, negative 15, negative 20, negative 12, 32, 15, 9, 35, 19, 28. So, ito na ang ating adjoint. So, we already done getting the adjoint of A, and we already also done in getting the determinant. So, makakacome up na tayo sa ating inverse sa matrix. So, next tayo. Sulat lang natin yung answer sa dito. Yung determinant mo at saka yung adjoint na result is negative. Ito na. Tapos, using the in getting the matrix, in getting the inverse of matrix, use tayo sa formula na 1 over the determinant of A, or divide the determinant of A, tapos times sa adjoint of A. So, ating adjoint is ito, ang ating determinant is 83. Then, sa niyan, distribute mo lang. 1 divide 83, i-times mo dito, dito. Isa-isahin mo yan sa pag-compute. Tapos, yung answers niyan is ito. 1 divide 83 is 83 lang, di ba? Tapos, i-times sa negative 15, magiging negative 0.180723, and so on. Ganunin mo lang dito sa second, then so on. Tapos, kung gusto mo fractioning answers mo, ito yung mga answers niya. I hope so na may natutunan kayo sa panandali ang videos na to, and hopefully that it will enlighten your mind na maka-understand kayo sa pag-gets ng inverse of the matrix. So, in getting the determinant, may another way din po, and also in getting the adjoint, may another way po, and I will explain that in our next videos. Yung adjoint lang at saka determinant. In getting the inverse is still the same lang. So, yung pag-get sa determinant may another way lang po, at saka yung adjoint is may another way lang, at easy din. So, kita-kits sa next video, and thank you for watching. And I hope so that you learn something, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell and click subscribe, and please support my channel, and thank you everyone. Thank you so much.